Let's go to page 152 and start with number 2. And you have 5x plus 56 equal to 19x. Now, when you have variable on both sides, you need to consolidate your variable to one side. Okay, so you want to put the number on one side, the variable on the other side. So since the number is over here, we're going to move this over. Okay, so and to move over, you just do the opposite, so minus the 5x on both sides, so that this will cancel out. So you got 56 is equal to 14x, then divide by 14 on both sides, so that we cancel out. So x equal to 4. Okay. Again, when you're solving, means you want to undo all the things in equation. You want to have the x by itself. Okay, that's what the solving is. Okay, number 4. You have 16x minus 3 equal to 13x. So again, the number is on this side, so you want to keep number over here. You want to move variable to the other side. So minus 16x on both sides. So you got negative 3 equal to negative 3x. And then you have to undo the negative 3, so divide by negative 3 on both sides. So x equal to 1. Okay, next one is number 6. You have 5x minus 8 equal to x. Okay, so again, the number is on this side, so that's going to move the variable to the other side. So minus 5x on both sides. So you got negative 8 equal to, now you got 1x minus 5x will give you negative 4x. Right? Then divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4. Again, none of your equal sign all the way down. So negative 4 cancel out, so you got x equal to positive 2. Negative and negative cancel out, so you end up with a positive 2. Okay. In number 8, you got 7x equal to 4x minus 9. Okay, so again, numbers on this side, so let's move the variable to the other side. So minus 4x minus 4x. So you got 3x equal to negative 9. Divide by 3 on both sides. So you got x equal to negative 3. Okay, number 10. You have 8 minus 5x equal to 3x. So again, so keep the number on one side and the variable to the other side. Okay, so that's going to be plus 5x, plus 5x. So you got 8 equal to 8x. So again, you want to get all the numbers on one side, all the variable on the other side. And that way you can divide by the coefficient and you can solve. So x equal to 1. Okay, number 12. You have 5x minus 6 equal to 3x plus 6. Okay. So now you have variable on both sides, you have number on both sides. So you have to decide which side you want to move the variable and which side you want to move the numbers to. Okay. So look at it. So your focus will be on a variable. So you got 5 and 3. So you want to move the lower one, so that way you can avoid deal with negatives. So I'm going to move the variable to this side, and I'm going to move the number to this side. So minus 3x on both sides, so that this will cancel out. And I'm going to move this to this side, so I need to plus 6 on both sides, so that this will cancel out. Okay. So again, I'm moving the variable to this side, move the number to that side. So I end up with 2x equal to 12. Okay. Then after that, I can divide both sides by 2, so x will equal to 6. Okay, number 14. You have 4x plus 28 equal to 7 plus x. Okay, so again, we're going to move the variable to this side because this is lower than this one. So move the variable to this side, move the number to this side. So minus x on both sides. Right, so you have to undo, right? So this will cancel out. And I'm going to move the number to this side, so I need to minus 28 on both sides. So again, write down what you're going to do and then do it, okay? And so this will cancel out. So I got 3x equal to negative 21. Then after that, I can divide by 3, so x equal to negative 7. Okay, next one. 5x minus 7 equal to 7 minus 9x. Okay, so I'm going to move this variable to this side, the number to this side. Okay, again, you have to do the opposite. So to undo, you have to do the opposite. And make sure you write down what you're going to do, and it will help you to cut down a lot of careless mistakes. So this will cancel out. Now I'm going to move the number to this side, so I have to do the opposite. That's why I need to plus 7. Okay, and because I plus 7, I need to plus 7 on the other side. So I have to do the same thing, so that this will cancel out. So I got 14x equal to 14. So divide by 14, so that this will cancel out. So x will equal to 1. Okay, number 18. Here you go. 5x minus 2 minus x equal to 4 minus 3x minus 27. Okay, now we have a lot of stuff. So what we're going to do is, before we start to move things around, let's go and combine a like term to simplify it a little bit first. Okay, so and you need to focus on one side at a time. Okay, so I'm just focused on this side right now. Okay, so this one and this one can combine. So 5x and negative x will give you 4x. Okay, okay, so that take care of this side. Now let's go and focus on this side. Okay, so this number and this number, so it'll be negative 3x. So 4 minus 27 will give you negative 23. Okay, okay, now this becomes like this, the previous problem. Notice it keep adding more steps, right? So you will know how to do this, right? So next step is go ahead and move the variable to one side and number to the other side. So I'm going to plus 3x on both sides, so that this will be gone. And I'm going to move this to this side by adding the 2 on both sides, so that this will be gone, right? So I got 7x is equal to negative 21. Then I divide by 7, so I get x equal to negative 3. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 20. Okay, so we have 9x minus 16 plus 6x equal to 11 plus 4x minus 5. So again, let's go and focus on one side at a time. So let's focus on this side. Okay, so let's combine the like terms. So this one and this one can combine. So we get 15x minus 16. Now let's go and do this side. So the number can combine. So you got 4x plus 6. Okay. Okay, so now it becomes like this kind of problem. So let's go and move the variable to this side, move this to this side, move this to this side. So minus 4x on both sides, so that this will cancel out. Move this to this side, so you need to add to undo, right? So this will cancel out. So pay attention so you don't make careless mistakes. So you got 11x is going to be equal to 22. Okay, divide by 11 on both sides, so x will equal to 2. Okay, 22. Here we have 13 minus 11x minus 17 equal to 5x plus 4 minus 10x. Okay, so again, let's focus on one half at a time. So combine the like terms. So this one and this one, this is getting too close. Okay, there we go. Okay, so 13 minus, so you're going to get negative 11x. So 13 minus 17 will give you negative 4. Okay, and this side, so this one and this one can combine. So you're going to get negative 5x plus 4. Okay, so again, first you want to combine a like term to simplify things a little bit. Okay, now let's go move this to this side, so plus 5x on both sides. Okay, this will cancel out. And I'm going to move this over, so plus 4 on both sides. So this will cancel out. Okay, so now you're going to get negative 6x is equal to 8. Okay. Then after that, you divide by -6 on both sides. So x equal to, divide by 2, right? You can reduce by 2, so it would be -4/3. Okay, and again, just leave it as the improper fraction. Okay. Okay, next one, number 24. You got 6.09 minus 3.75x equal to 5.45x. Okay. Now this one, since there's the numbers on this side and the variable is on this side, so it's probably easy if you just gonna move this over. So plus 3.75x on both sides. So you got 6.09 equal to, okay, so it'd be 0 to 9.2 x. So divide both sides by 9.2. Divide by 9.2. So get your calculator. So 6.09 divided by 9.2. So I get x equal to, and read the instruction, 3 decimal places. Okay, so it'd be 0.66195. So you have to run it off to 662.